In this video, I'm going to show you how to view the domain of a project in Base44 in just a few quick steps. This is a simple process, but if you're managing a project and need to find a connected domain, knowing exactly where to look can save you time. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Let's get into it. First, open the project you want to check inside Base44. Once the project is open, look for the dashboard option and click on it. This will take you to the main project overview where important settings and tools are organized. From there, find and click on Domains. This is where Base44 displays the domain connected to your project. Once you're in the Domains section, you'll be able to view the project's domain details right there on the page. And that's it. You've now successfully viewed the domain of a project in Base44. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide.